What if I tell you can monetize your YouTube channel within 60 days? What if you can start earning from YouTube by uploading just 10 videos? And will it be possible to get more than 100k subscribers within 3 months of starting your YouTube channel? Well, it's all possible. Creators like Algrow, DecodingYT, Stepbro have achieved all these milestones even in less time and have monetized their channels with fewer videos. But even after gaining such huge popularity, Algrow stopped publishing content on his YouTube channel for over 8 months. I have already created a video on why Algrow stopped publishing on YouTube. You can watch this video here if you haven't already seen it. Back to our topic, this video is about one creator who has beaten all his competitors to become the fastest growing YouTuber in his niche. Yes, it's none other than DecodingYT. DecodingYT started his YouTube channel 12 months back and published his first video 3 months after starting his channel. Within this short period, his channel has already crossed 300k subscribers and 15 million views in total. But how did DecodingYT achieve his marvelous feat in such a short time? I have followed his channel very closely and found 5 reasons how DecodingYT is beating Algrow or any of his competitors in their game. Number 1. Timing. DecodingYT launched his channel when Algrow had already started losing his popularity due to his inconsistent content and his online paid course. Algrow left a huge gap when he delayed publishing videos as there were no YouTubers who created content the way he did. That's when DecodingYT launched his channel and the timing was perfect. He had the same editing style as Algrow but only better, and this made him a quick replacement for Algrow. Number 2. Trend jacking. Not only did DecodingYT launch his channel at the right time, but his first video was about Algrow himself. Meanwhile, Algrow's audience was already looking out for creators like him who could help them with their YouTube problems. DecodingYT was easily able to attract those potential viewers to his channel. He used the technique of trend jacking where you create videos on trending topics of your niche. Since Algrow was very popular at that time and was trending in that niche, it was the right topic for DecodingYT to create his first video. Number 3. Quality content. Now that DecodingYT had the attention of Algrow's audience, it was also important that he delivered quality content like Algrow. But DecodingYT's content proved to have a bit more aesthetics and quality than Algrow's content, even though he was following the same editing style as Algrow. Algrow's audience was easily attracted to this new creator, and DecodingYT got the initial momentum that any creator would dream of. He achieved almost all his milestones for monetizing his channel from this single video itself. Number 4. Consistency. DecodingYT wanted to focus mainly on YouTube growth related videos. But before he could start advising aspiring creators, he wanted to create proof of work to show his audience about his capability to understand the YouTube algorithm. So he continued to make videos on famous YouTubers like Mr. Miko and Manoj Dey to further attract their audience. All these videos went viral, and in just 3 months he was able to gain more than 10k subscribers and thousands of views. This made DecodingYT one of the fastest growing and monetized channels on YouTube. Number 5. Regular content. Even after gaining so much subscribers and building himself as a brand, DecodingYT still continues to publish YouTube knowledge-based videos for free. He also posts tutorials and information that helps existing and new YouTubers to grow their channel. He posted around 21 videos in these 10 months and all his videos are viral. He has a unique formula in his video editing to keep viewers engaged, and that contributes to his user retention. After watching all of DecodingYT's videos multiple times, I have decoded his editing strategy and formula. My next video will be about the secret viral formula of DecodingYT. Subscribe now so you don't miss this video that will definitely help you grow your channel faster like DecodingYT.